In the quiet of the night, I lay my pride down low. The room was still, my heart was loud, and I didn't wanna go. I heard my name in the dark, like a hand on my shoulder. I said, if that's you, Lord, speak again. And my fear got smaller. I won't run from your voice, I won't harden my ears. Teach me how to listen through the dust and the tears. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Speak, Lord, I'm here. Call my name again. Make your way so clear. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Ooh, close and near. When you call my name, I'll answer here. Like Samuel in the temple, I was young and half asleep. Didn't know the sound of heaven could cut so deep. Now I keep a folded heart and a softer yes. If you say come a little closer, I will come with less. Oh, I won't run from your voice, I won't harden my ears. Teach me how to listen, do the dust and the tears. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Speak, Lord, I'm here. Call my name again. Make your way so clear. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Ooh, close and near. When you call my name, I'll answer here. Trust. If you speak through the silence, I follow the rush. Make my heart a doorway, make my spirit free. When you call, I'm ready, just speak to me. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Speak, Lord, I'm here. Oh, call my name again. Make your way so clear. Here.